Hook. Start by asking viewers if they know that creating animated videos can be as easy as clicking a few buttons in Canva. Introduction. Introduce the video topic, explaining that you will guide beginners through the simple steps of creating animated videos using Canva. Presentation of problem/challenge. Discuss the common challenges beginners face when trying to create engaging animated content and how Canva can help overcome these hurdles. Exploration/development. Explore the features of Canva that allow for animation, such as templates, animation styles, and how to customize them to fit your needs. Climax/key moment. Demonstrate a quick and easy animation process in Canva, showcasing the transformation of a static design into a dynamic animated video. Conclusion/summary. Summarize the steps covered in the video and emphasize how simple it is for anyone to create animated videos with Canva. Call to action, CTA. Encourage viewers to comment on their experiences with Canva and invite them to watch your next video for more tips on video creation. Join me as I challenge myself to create a quick and easy animated video with images that don't move in Canva from scratch, and I'll show you just how easy it can be for beginners. Today, we're going to explore the world of animated videos, and I'll guide you through the simple steps of creating them using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform your static designs into engaging, dynamic animations that will capture your audience's attention. When it comes to creating engaging animated content, many beginners face a common challenge. They think it's too complicated, requiring advanced skills and software. Others might struggle to come up with ideas or find it difficult to make their animations look professional. But the truth is, with Canva, you can overcome these hurdles and create stunning animated videos in no time. Canva's user-friendly interface and vast design resources make it the perfect tool for anyone looking to dip their toes into animation. One of the biggest misconceptions about animation is that you need to be a skilled designer or animator to create amazing content. But the reality is, with the right tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can create professional-looking animations. Canva takes the guesswork out of animation, allowing you to focus on bringing your ideas to life. Whether you're looking to create social media posts, explainer videos, or even personal projects, Canva has got you covered. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to get started. So, let's dive in and explore the features of Canva that make photo animation a breeze.